Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you ever feel like you're constantly bombarded by ads every time you go online? Pop-ups, banners, autoplay videos. It can feel like a never-ending parade of distractions. But today, I'm here to help you take control. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block those annoying ads in your browser, so you can browse faster, safer, and with fewer distractions. Let's get started. Step 1. Install an ad blocker extension. The quickest and most effective way to block ads is by installing a dedicated ad blocker extension. My top recommendations are uBlock Origin and AdBlock Plus. Both are free, easy to install, and they'll take care of most ads right out of the box. Just go to your browser's extension store, search for one of these, and install it. Step 2. Use a privacy-focused browser. If you want to take ad blocking to the next level, consider switching to a privacy-focused browser like Brave or Mozilla Firefox. Brave, for example, comes with built-in ad and tracker blocking, so you won't need to install any additional extensions. Step 3. Enable pop-up blocking. Most browsers, like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, come with built-in options to block pop-ups. You can easily enable pop-up blocking in your browser settings. Just go to Settings or Preferences, find the Privacy or Site Settings section, and turn on the pop-up blocker. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any favorite ad blocking tools. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your ad-free browsing experience.